Hello everyone, my name is MEDHA Shetty, branch first year CSG, startup company Tech Trends, product present name is Rainproof Clothes Management, product proposed name is Aqua Shield Clothing System. Empathizing, mentioning the sum of the requirement and feeling about the product is set by the customer during the empathizing activity. Protecting the clothes from the rain by automatically retracting them when necessary, weather monitoring features. Define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirement on the customer, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name, Rainproof Clothes Management, futuristic product name, Aqua Shield and Clothing System. Some of the additional features are added mentioned here: hanger support, space optimization, energy efficiency, and temperature control. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to time constraint. The mentor advised to draw the sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to the satisfying the testing stage. Thank you.